ang mga sheep, aware sila that they have poor eyesight. They have anonymity. Ang ilang sense of direction is not that excellent. That's why ang ilang reliance sa shepherd is very great yung ilang reliance sa shepherd. Na the shepherd has to lead them to quiet waters para makainom sila. The shepherd has to lead them sa greener pasture para makakaon sila man.
Gentleness is really should be paired with trusting the Holy Spirit to really change us. Because if we alone in ourselves, it is really useless for us to be gentle. Because we are human and we cannot, we really don't have that ability to be gentle to others at the same time.